Hi there. Welcome back to our next session on Microsoft SQL Server tutorial. In this session we will learn about the various techniques of sorting and filtering data in Microsoft SQL Server. The Microsoft SQL Server uses many keywords for sorting and filtering data. There are different types of ways available in MS SQL Server for sorting and filtering data. Where clause, like clause, order by clause, group by clause, and distinct clause. So let's start with where clause. The Microsoft SQL Server where clause is used to specify a condition while fetching the data from single table or joining with multiple tables. If the given condition is satisfied, only then it returns a specific value from the table. You will have to use where clause to filter the records and fetch only necessary records. The where clause is not only used in select statement, but it is also used in update, delete statement, etc. You can see the syntax on your screen. We will do examples at the end of the session. Microsoft SQL Server, like clause. The Microsoft SQL Server like clause is used to compare a value to similar values using wildcard operators. There are two wildcards used in conjunction with the like operator. The %, the underscore. The % represents 0, 1, or multiple characters. The underscore represents a single number or character. The symbols can be used in combinations. You can see the syntax on your screen. Microsoft SQL Server, order by clause. The Microsoft SQL Server order by clause is used to sort the data in ascending or descending order, based on one or more columns. Some database sort query results in ascending order by default. Watch the syntax carefully and we'll see example at the end of the session. Microsoft SQL Server, group by clause. The SQL Server group by clause is used in collaboration with the select statement to arrange identical data into groups. The group by clause follows the where clause in a select statement and precedes the order by clause. You can see the syntax on your screen. The group by clause must follow the conditions in the where clause and must precede the order by clause if one is used. Microsoft SQL Server, distinct clause. The MS SQL Server distinct keyword is used in conjunction with select statement to eliminate all the duplicate records and fetching only unique records. There may be a situation when you have multiple duplicate records in a table. While fetching such records, it makes more sense to fetch only unique records instead of fetching duplicate records. You can see the syntax of distinct keyword to eliminate duplicate records. Now let's see an example to use these clauses in Microsoft SQL Server database. Watch the example carefully. Hope you liked the video. We will get to know more topics in our upcoming sessions. Till then, thank you.